In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a recurring task in Asana. This guide will be particularly helpful for those of you working on projects that require regular updates or maintenance tasks. By setting up recurring tasks, you can streamline your workflow and ensure that nothing slips through the cracks. Let's dive in. First off, we need to get to the Asana platform. Open your web browser and head over to asana.com. If you're not already logged in, go ahead, enter your credentials and access your account. Having your Asana account open is our starting point for creating a task that will repeat at intervals of your choosing. Now that we're in Asana, let's focus on creating a task. You'll want to navigate to the project where this task will live. Once there, look for the plus add task button. This is usually easy to find at the top, or the task list. It depends on your layout settings. Clicking this button initiates a new task, so let's go ahead and do that. After hitting the button, it's time to name your task. Choose a title that clearly indicates what the task involves. In the details section, you can also add a description, set a due date, and assign it to someone. This is where you give context to your task, so make your details count. A well-defined task can greatly improve clarity and execution, ensuring everyone knows what's expected. Next, it's important to set a due date for your task. This decision sets the timeline for when the task should begin or when it needs to be completed. You can set the due date by clicking on the calendar icon next to the due date field. It will pop open a calendar, allowing you to select a specific date that aligns with your schedule. With your due date selected, it's time to make the task recurring. You'll notice beneath the due date there's an option to set to repeat or simply repeat. Click on this drop down or link. This is where the magic of recurring tasks happens. In the repeat settings, you'll choose the frequency, whether you want the task to reappear daily, weekly, monthly, annually, or perhaps you prefer a customized interval. This flexibility ensures that you can align repeating tasks precisely to your project needs. Further, you might need to adjust settings like when these repetitions should end, or specify the days they should occur on. For instance, if a task should repeat every Friday and you want it to stop by the end of the year, these settings can be crucial. Finally, let's make sure everything's set. Go ahead and click Create Task or Save. You've now finalized your recurring task, and from here onwards, Asana will automatically generate this task on the schedule you've chosen. And that's it. Your recurring task is fully set up to streamline ongoing workflows. This ensures consistent follow-through on regular tasks, leaving you more time to focus on what truly matters. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful in organizing your tasks with Asana.